Hi, I'm Belinda and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful sparkling eyeshadow using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. First, log into the program and select the Makeup tier. Then select the eyeshadow formulation build and click Create. First, I'm going to select my binder, and for this formula I'm going to use magnesium stearate. I use this so that the powder will stick to my eyelids and give a great colour without just flaking off during wear. Next, I'm going to select some ultramarine blue because I want to make a really bright blue and sparkling eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to pick my lipids, and for this formula I'm going to add some pumpkin oil because it's rich in vitamin E and omega fatty acids. Next, I'm going to add some antioxidant. I'm not going to add any fragrance to this formula, but I am going to add some really strong effects pigments for a gorgeous shimmer. I'm going to use the Mica Light Blue and the Mica Luster Black. Then I can click on Generate Method, and here is my formula, and here is my method. Now it's time to head into the lab. And that's how easy it is to make a bright, dazzling, beautiful eyeshadow using the Create Cosmetic Formulas program. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below, and make sure you subscribe to createcosmeticformulas.com so you can get making all sorts of eyeshadows for yourself. Happy formulating!